As a small startup company or a portfolio of companies, most of our resources were spent just head down trying to develop products, trying to get an infrastructure in place, all the parts needed just really to get something successfully commercialized. And the truth is we didn't focus on marketing. Wish we hadn't focused more on it, but marketing for us was something that just was outside of our area of expertise. It was actually something that was pretty intimidating to us, standing in front of a camera, developing strategies, brands, ideas for how to sell our product and communicate our product successfully in the market. And the truth is, since we've been working with MedTech Momentum, what we've found is, you know, MedTech saw something in us that I don't even think we saw in ourselves. And you know, I look around our booth now, I look at what we have here at AAOS in 2019, and it wouldn't have been possible without MedTech Momentum and Guillaume and his team. What they did for us is they saw the potential that we had before we could even recognize it, and they made the impossible possible for us. And I feel like now with MedTech and where we are and where we see ourselves going, we just can't see another partner but MedTech helping us along the way.